Hello and welcome. My name is Eddie Ambler. In this demo, we will go through how to restore a VM container database from a backup of an Oracle-based database instance. In this demo, we will restore a production database named My19C-CDB to a point in time before it was incorrectly updated with many changes and had a development pluggable database added to it. Let's start by opening the navigation menu. Select Oracle Database, then click on Oracle-based database. Confirm that the compartment chosen reflects where the database restored resides. In the list of DB systems displayed, click the name of the DB system that contains the database you want to restore. For our demo, we will click on the DB system named MyDemoDB System. This will cause the DB System's details page to be displayed. In the database section of the page, click the name of the database you want to restore. For our demo, we will click on the database named My19C-CDB. This will cause the database details page to be displayed. Under the backup section of the database details page, note the value of the last backup time. On the left rail under Resources, click on Pluggable Databases. In the Pluggable Databases section of the page, note that we have two PDBs listed, and one has the name of MyDevPDB. On the database details page, click on the Restore button near the top of the page to get a list of available restore options. This will render the Restore Database dialog box, where you can select one of the following restore point options. Restore to the latest, which restores the database to the last known good state with the least possible data loss. Restore to a timestamp, which restores the database to the timestamp that you specify. And finally, restore to SCN, which restores the database using the system change number specified. For our demo, we will select the option to restore to a timestamp. Since we know the changes were done after our last backup, we will pick the 21st of August at 1330 hours for our restore timestamp, which is just beyond our last backup timestamp. Next, we will click on the Restore Database button to proceed. Notice that this will cause the database state to show up as updating until the restore operation completes. We can follow the progress of our restore operation by clicking on Work Requests on the left rail under Resources. In the list of work requests displayed, you can see that our restore database operation is shown with a state of in progress. Click on the Restore Database operation to be able to follow the work request log messages. Note that the work request has a state of in progress. Once the restore operation has completed, note that the state is updated from in progress to succeeded. Let's validate our restore operation by clicking on the database details link in the breadcrumb trail. Note that the state of the DB system now shows as available. In the database section of the page, note that our database named My19C-CDB also has a state of available. Click on the My19C-CDB database name and then select Pluggable Databases on the left rail under Resources. In the Pluggable Database section of the page, note that our MyDevPDB has been removed as expected. Congratulations on successfully restoring your database.